Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I hope you guys all stay dry because of all the rain that's been going on. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense, and on this channel, you guys will find nothing more and nothing less than videos about how to make money online. And this is mainly for people who have the time to take a couple hours out of their day to do surveys, to work on, play games on apps. If you're just the type of person who work from home mom or dad, or who has even a part-time job, who would be willing to put in time for this, this is for you. Okay, so I cashed out $1 today on superpay.me. This is another website where it's a get paid to website. You do various things, and over here we have the top surveys. They have a list of all the surveys you guys can do. They have daily paid surveys, your surveys, tap research surveys, revenue, say so, opinion capital, survey time. This is a new one. Theorem surveys, which is exactly like tap research. They both give out disqualification points. Live paid surveys, pollfish surveys, want to add paid surveys, worldwide offers, new paid surveys. I haven't done, the only surveys I do is the tap paid surveys, which is tap research. All these are all the offer walls here. But that's mainly what I do, you guys. I do tap research surveys on here, and that's how I've made my money. So I'm going to take you guys, I'm also going to do a payment proof for 1 day rewards so you guys can see the proof that I actually cashed out $1. See, I'm going to show you guys this right here. I have enough to cash out $1, it's $1.02, and the PayPal fee is $2, 2%. It takes out a 2% fee, so I'm going to withdraw that to my PayPal right now. Seven, four, seven. Hold on a second, you guys. I'm actually verifying everything here. Okay, so I just cashed out to my PayPal account, and I'm gonna take you guys over there right now. So bear with me. Okay, so here we are on my PayPal account here. As you can see, I have $2.77 in here. I checked. I actually sent my payment from superpay.me to a different email, PayPal email, and it's not there yet. So when I receive that, I will send it over to this PayPal, and so I can show you guys that. So here I got 90 cents yesterday from 1 Day Rewards. It was actually $1, but they take out a fee. So I think they took out like a 10% fee, 10 cents. So, but I did cash out $1 yesterday from 1 Day Rewards, and I got 90 cents here. As you guys can see, I cashed out again on the 25th, which is 75 cents. It was $1, but they take out fees. So, who knew? But yeah, so I'm just coming on here to show you guys that I did get paid from One Day Rewards yesterday. I will be making a SurveyPay.me, SuperPay.me payment proof video once I receive that dollar. So I would like for you guys to stay tuned for that. I'm going to be coming on here showing you guys the sites I use that I'm making money from. So every day I'm gonna use this. I'm going to make a cash out, make a payment proof video, show you guys the website. That's what I'm doing now. Okay. So I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I make a video. Alright, hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Take care, everyone.